guys! Welcome back again to another vlogmas. So, nakauwi si kulot natin. Ay, kulot ko lang pala. And, nasa labas kami right now. So, running errands lang. Ganon-ganon lang. And ito yung outfit ko for today. Naka-Vans shoes. Everything is black and white. So, ayan. Parang ano lang, no, mag-a-attend lang ng libing. But anyway, ayan, dadalhin ko kayo kung ano man yung pupuntahan namin today. Kasi hindi ko rin alam eh. So, but eventually we're gonna... It's not the same as the one in Alabama.
That's right.
It's big.
You got grouper fillet? Yeah. Pull him. Real grouper. Yeah, not swag. It's a real grouper. That's real grouper.
Right, they had them, but they closed down too because of everything going on with armature works and all that.
Pulling up all of them old buildings and
All gone, all redone. It'll blow your mind, man. I'm telling you. Crazy. But that place was good.
to be here,
Mm-hmm.
and everything you got from them was a lie.
What's this? Mexican restaurant? What? Guys, ayun yung asawa ko. Gusto niya ng double crabs. Nakabili na kami kanina pero hindi namin nagustuhan yung lasa. Mamasyal-masyal lang kami and kung anong interesting yung makikita namin. Doon kami nag-i-stop. But ayun, umuwi kami saglit sa bahay kasi bumili kami ng shrimp, and para hindi masira yung shrimp kasi we don't know kung gaano kami katagal dito sa labas, so we have to take it home. And then nakabili kami kanina ng devil crabs pero hindi siya kaya-aya, kaya may nakita siyang dito, yung food truck. Baka mas masarap to kasi homemade yung sa kanila eh. So tatry namin mamaya. Ako guys, my shrimp, fried shrimp and rice, and then ayan yung double crab with hot sauce. So nakain ko na yung isa. So that is the downtown Tampa guys, Tampa, Florida. Pero hindi tayo pupunta dyan, but malapit lang sa downtown yung pupuntahan nating store because we are going to IKEA store. So magwara-wara tayo doon sa store ng IKEA ba, no? Tingin-tingin lang, uy, para pantanggal ba sa mga boredom, bitaw, yung mga ganyan. So, ayan yung downtown Tampa. And may video ako nung namasyal kami sa downtown Tampa. I mean, nag-drive-thru kami. So, we are here finally in IKEA. And look at this. Whole setup na siya ng living room and dining to kitchen. And I like kasi very nice yung design. And this one is very nice as well kasi parang white yung niya talaga, yung theme niya. And I also like white theme. Also, this one, very simple. Naghahanap lang ako ng guys, ng idea ba kung paano ko i-decorate yung house namin, kung anong mga furnitures or mga bagay-bagay na kailangan naming bilhin. This one is pretty cheap na table lang, nasa around $10 lang. And this one, I like this para dun sa porch namin. Tambay-tambay. Perfect yung chair. And I love this one sa office. Maganda to siya. Ayan. And marami silang mga baskets dito. Made in Asia yung mga yan. So, nakakatuwa. So, ayan. Mura lang yan, guys. Mura lang yung mga ganito nila. Nasa around $10 something. Eto. Cute. Ang cute nito. Pero pinag-iisipan ko pa kung anong pwede kong ilagay dyan. Ayan, ito din. Ang ganda din. Naghahanap ako yung sa Bisaya ba, yung nigo sa Bisaya. Para pag magluto-luto ako ng biko or espasol, may may nigo ako ba. Ganun. Tingnan nyo, ang cute. Ang ganda. I love it. So, eto naman, I'm planning to get this one para as like a side table between our sa couch namin kasi wala pa kaming side table. And yung mirror is $69 yan, guys. And mga more paintings dito, pang decorate sa house. This one, I like this one so much. And ayan, dalawa na sila. So, bibilhin mo dapat yung dalawa kasi magkasama sila. And then here, more para sa mga picture frames. More on dito. So, ayan, naghahanap lang kami ng ideas. Parang window shopping lang. Alam mo yon. Ito yung mga cheap, frames. Around lang siya, nasa $2 lang siya. Pero sobrang mumurahin yung quality kasi manipis. Alam niyo yung ganun. And then more over here for center tables and stuff. Perfect to sa New Year, yung mga bilog-bilog na prutas, lalagyan ng bilog-bilog na prutas, ganyan. I guess meron pang ibang pwedeng paggamitan ng ganyan, but yun yung naisip ko as like decoration. And then ito din, ang ganda nito guys. Oh my gosh, lagyan mo siya ng mga flowers, ganyan. I don't know, yun yung idea ko. Ano bang maisuggest nyo na pwedeng ilagay sa basket na ito or basta parang kasi siya, mga vase eh. Yung part na nandito, yung mga decorations for your tables, flowers, table arrangements, mga ganyan. Ayan, gusto ko yan. I love it. For $9 yung isang higot. Color key. Hindi na ako marunong magtagalog. Let's move on sa plants. These are plastic plants. Mga plastic lang ang mga ito. Maganda ito pang decoration sa indoor. Ayan. Pero meron ding mga real plants na pwede pang indoor. Pero kung gusto niyo ng plastic, ayan, maganda din sila. In snake plant, this is a real plant na guys. Nandito na tayo sa totoong mga plants. And this is orchids. Sa orchids section tayo. Yung tatay ko maraming orchids before, iba't ibang klase. But susubukan kong bumili ng mga orchids and tingnan natin kung magsusurvive sila sa aking mga kamay. Meron dito ginseng. Ayan, ang cute. Parang bet ko siyang ilagay as center table decoration. Ayan, parang ang perfect. Tapos ilagay sa office. Ayan. Ang ganda kasi niya. It's a ginseng plant. And then dito may bamboo. Basta parang bamboo siya, no? Ganyan. Eto, marami akong ganito sa Pilipinas before. Ayan. So, let's move on to the foods na they have salmon over here. Marami pa silang mga meatballs made of veggies, chicken, and other stuff. So, wala na masyado dito, guys.
When
What?
who's watching you when you watching somebody else?
Exactly. So they like to look me up and down, huh?
They look you up and down, then when they get real close, stare right in your face. And then they look away.
Leaving IKEA now. Can't wait to eat my shrimp. My shrimp.
What you talking about?
My shrimp.
Ooh, that's coleslaw in there. We gotta get that.
Yeah, across the street is downtown Tampa. Like the air. There's no more air. So pauwi na si Inday.
Cook some scramble.
No, the shrimp is ready to eat.
Who told you that?
I saw it. Oh, they're building new buildings over here. I wonder if this is apartment. Another apartment.
They don't build no business.
Yeah, it's like they like building apartments over here. What is that? Is this like
It's a brewery.
a brew? Oh, that's the brewery that we saw earlier? Or no? A different one. Over here. That's cute. So we're on our way home. We're done. Just going around. Yun lang yung tinitingnan-tingnan namin. And then, ayun, napagod ako, my God. And sobrang dami din ng tao doon. And then, ayun, so, dito ko natatapusin yung aking vlog. Thank you so much for watching. And see you on my next one. Bye-bye.